Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I have a recipe for a chana and kidney bean mix. It's a very easy recipe, yet it is very tasty. So let's get started. So for this I have 1.5 medium chopped onion. If you have large ones, you can use 1 large onion. I'm having 1 cup or 2 cups, it depends on how much you are making, but I have 2 cups of chana and I have 2 cups of kidney beans that I have boiled, and this is the water I have boiled the chana in. I'm not going to discard it and I'm going to use it in the recipe. I'm using some boneless chicken thighs. You can use full chicken or you can use any part of the chicken that you like, and I'm using canned chopped tomatoes. So now let's start making it. So first take a pan and add some oil in it. Now when the oil is nice and hot, add the chopped onions. And we're going to cook these onions until they're a little golden kind of, and then we're going to add the chicken. Now at this stage I'm adding the boneless chicken I had. With that, I'm adding 1 ginger garlic paste cube and some salt. Mix well. Now at this stage, the chicken is nice and cooked and the onions are nice and golden. We are going to add the tomatoes. So I'm adding about 200 grams of tomatoes in it. And then I'm adding green chilies. Mix well. Now I'm adding some chili flakes, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds or zira. Mix well. Cover and cook it on a low flame for a few minutes. After a few minutes, when everything is nicely cooked and combined, I'm going to add the beans. Now mix everything well. Now cover it again and we're going to cook it on slow flame for another few minutes. So now it's been about 4 to 5 minutes, and now I'm adding the liquid that I had from the chickpeas. So now what we are going to do, with the spoon I'm going to mash few of the beans, so that the liquid that we have, or the shorba that we call, is going to be a little thick, like this. Now I'm adding some fresh coriander. I have frozen one. You can use fresh ones like the one you buy right away. Now at this stage you can check the salt if you need more. I needed more, so I added more salt. And after a minute we're going to turn off the flame, and then our kidney beans and chana is going to be ready. So here we are, our kidney beans and chana is ready. I hope you like the video. This recipe is very tasty, so please do try it and let me know if you like it. If you have any question, you can follow me on Facebook with the same name, Last Stop, or you can leave your comment down below. So I hope you like the video. I'll see you very soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.